Hey, I've read some stuff about these tires, the Lindbergh kits. I didn't sand it yet, but anyways, I'm just showing the wheels that go with these tires and the Lindbergh kits, like the L700. Um, People were saying that they had to heat tires up to get the wheels in. Um, and all kinds of other things too, like lubricants and things that people would do. Um, it seems like a lot of work, but I'll show you kind of what I do. I'll get this one off here quick. Sometimes I like breaking these off if they snap off right, just the right place. It actually breaks at the smallest point, which makes sense because that's what you want. But sometimes we'll take that edge off, so you gotta be careful. You know, right? Okay. Here's your tire, and you got that ridge on there too. It's got to sit up on that ridge. People are pushing, 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 and then pushing your ring fingerprint into the paint. Oh, you gotta heat them up? No, you don't have to heat them up. Just take your knife. And you don't have to go far. Just take a little ridge off. That's pretty much it. It's not that hard. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys that. Peace out, man. Girls, guys, all love each other. Take it easy.